Hey guys, so I've been looking for a good opportunity to tell you what's going on. It's not going to get much better than this, I think, for now. So it's my second day in Costa Rica. I arrived a couple of nights ago, spent a few nights in the hostel near San Jose. Now I'm on my way down to the Pacific coast. I've been told that the cycling on the roads here is pretty dangerous, so I'm being pretty aware. So far the roads have been good and bad. Like right now, super smooth. 5 minutes ago, it was about the worst road I've ever ridden on. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes for the rest of the trip. I'm staying with a guy, a Spanish guy, Alexander, down in on the coast there, near Barracas, I think it's called. So yeah, I'll get a bit further out into the farms and then I'll check back in. Back of my head I had that it would be downhill all the way to the coast. Unfortunately it's not the case. I've just done my first 142 meters and I'm really feeling the panniers that I've got on. Normally bikepacking I just have a saddlebag, so I've got a lot more weight and I'm even carrying I think 2 kilos of sugar and 3 kilos of pasta. So yeah, I'm really feeling it. Looks like we might be doing some descending now. Just got a bit of a steady climbing going. It's funny, I got told that the roads here are super dangerous. But so far, I'd say it's not too bad. I have Australia to compare to. That's my like baseline. And still, it's not as bad as there yet. But we'll see. If you come into Costa Rica, be prepared for some steep climbs. I've got a fair bit of weight on the back. I don't know what the grade is, like, gotta be 10 to 15 or more. It's gnarly. Check that view out. I've done 670 meters. Feels like a lot more. And I've got all those the bike bags on there. My bike is pretty heavy. But I think I'm going to start descending now. So over here there's this tower. So hopefully that means this is the top and it's all downhill from here. A nice descent right through the valley. Try not to go too hard because I just don't know what's going to be around the next corner, the way people drive here. So, but I mean, with the panniers on the back, I'm not used to riding with them and the weight's all really odd, leaning from one side to another. So, I mean, I wouldn't bomb it down this hill anyway, it's too dangerous. This is the first shoulder all day. I'm not complaining. The drivers have still been pretty good, but I'd rather be off the road when possible. Just came through San Mateo. I'm 44 kilometers in. It's about a 75 or 80 kilometer ride. All right, guys. The climbing level on this Route 3 is insanity. The grades are insane, and you kind of do a bit of ups and downs, so it's pretty demoralizing. Every time you go down, you go back up and you just hit another wall. I'm hoping soon it's going to kind of level out a bit down to the coast, but probably not. I don't have the gear ratio, you know, it's completely wrong. Alright, so I've made it to the Pacific coast. It's a little hairy for the last 10 or so kilometers, but not so bad. Alright guys, so I'm with my host, Black. He's taking me down to the beach. Staying at his place tonight. Unfortunately, I don't speak any Spanish, but he speaks a little bit of English, so we're getting on alright. Let's go see the sunset.